You have finally taken the leap and booked your first cruise. Now the real questions arise. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are enjoying the content on the channel thus far, please like, subscribe, and share. I really appreciate all of the support. Now that we have that part out of the way, we can discuss what really matters. How to save the most money on your first cruise. So, first, what is there to do on the ship and in port, and how expensive is it? This is where the research you have done previously on the ship will pay off. Each ship provides its own set of activities and entertainment for all age groups. There are Vegas-style musical shows, stand-up comedy, trivia contests, clubs, and even more types of entertainment. As a matter of fact, one of my favorite memories was singing karaoke with my sister and watching my two younger sisters completely dominate that karaoke stage. Usually there are plenty of opportunities to do absolutely nothing. After all, you are on vacation. So you can just grab your favorite drink and lay by the pool. If that is not enough for you to do, that's where a shore excursion can be booked. What is a shore excursion? An excursion is a daytime trip that is offered by the cruise ships and vendors in your port of call. They can be as simple as a shopping tour on board a double-decker bus, off-roading in Mexico, or bar crawl. However, excursions can be quite expensive, ranging from $39.99 per person for something as simple as a wine and shopping tour to over $100 per person. To save money, try to find sailings that include credit or discounts towards your excursions. One line that offers this is Norwegian Cruise Line. You can purchase a cabin that includes the discount that is then applied to the purchase of your excursion. Another way is to research the port of call. Instead of spending $40 per person to get to the shopping area in Ensenada, Mexico, you can walk about a mile from the port and be at Papa's and Beer in no time. Now, what are the food options on the cruise ship? Cruise ships are known to have several different options for dining. Your cruise fare includes a set number of eateries, including the ship's main buffet and main dining rooms. So if you are looking to save money on food, the answer to this is pretty simple. Don't buy any. Only eat at locations that are included in your fare price. However, if you are a foodie, there are plenty of specialty dining restaurants on cruise ships to choose from. To save money, you should book your dining experience prior to boarding. You don't have to do it at the time you book your cruise, but the earlier, the better. If you wait too long, some of the best dining reservations will be taken. Now, if you are looking for the steakhouse experience and ambiance, this would be a great option for you. However, if just the food is what you're after, then I have another tip for you. This one is specific to Carnival. I'm not sure with any other line, but it doesn't hurt to find out. You can save money by ordering an entree from the steakhouse while dining in the main dining room. That's it. You get the same food, but you don't have to pay the cover charge for the specialty dining. To order from the steakhouse is about $25 per entree, where entry to the specialty dining steakhouse is $42 per person. Now that $42 does include an appetizer, salad, entree, side, and dessert. But you can get all of that for free in the main dining room and just pay $25 if you wanted an additional entree that came from the steakhouse. Another pro tip here. When you're eating in the main dining room, everything except for drinks are free, and you can order as much or as little as you want. Keep that in mind. That also adds value to your cruise. So, let's move on. Now we're talking about our drinking. Yes, drinking is a huge part of the cruise experience. So, how expensive are drinks, and do I need to purchase a drink package? Now, that all depends on how much you drink and what you like to drink. Generally, tea, coffee, and juices are free in the buffet. Tea, coffee, and non-bottled water, specifically, are free in the main dining room. The cost of bottled water can exceed $5 per bottle while on a cruise ship. However, to save money, you can have water delivered to your stateroom. You are not allowed to bring water on board, so this is the best option to ensure you stay hydrated while cruising. If you are a soda drinker, you can purchase an onboard drinking package that includes non-alcoholic drinks. For Carnival, it is $9.50 per day per adult. Now, if you drink more than 5 sodas a day, I would say this is a bargain and take it. However, if you drink less than 5 sodas a day, save your money. It's not worth it. Carnival allows each person to bring up to 12 sealed, unopened cans of no more than 12 ounces of soda in their carry-on. And remember, I said each person, not just adults. So if you're traveling with your children, they can carry a few cans in their carry-on as well. For liquor and wine drinkers, it is a little different, however. First and foremost, you cannot bring liquor on board any cruise line. Big no-no. NCL, or Norwegian Cruise Lines, offers cruise cabins that can include unlimited drinks, both alcoholic and non-alcoholic. Since drinks can be anywhere from $10 to $20, this is a great deal. Carnival also offers cabins that include a discount on drink packages. However, if you're not able to find one, if you purchase the drink package prior to sailing, it is still discounted by about $10. Carnival requires all adults in the cabin to purchase the package, which is a per day cost. So if you plan on drinking enough alcoholic drinks to cover the daily price, then you can save money. For wine drinkers who are traveling on Carnival, you are in luck. You can bring aboard a 750 milliliter bottle of your favorite wine in your carry-on bag. 1 bottle allowed per adult. Now, if you choose this option, you will need to bring a corkscrew or you'll be charged a corkage fee. Also, if you choose to have your wine opened on board at a dining area, you will be charged a corkage fee as well. Now that we've had a few tips and tricks to save a little bit of money on food, shore excursions, and drinks, I have a couple of bonus tips to help you while cruising. Bring your own refillable or reusable tumbler or water bottle. You can fill it with ice and take it off the ship so you have cold water during your excursions if the excursion permits. Also, it's really helpful to have it and fill it up in the beginning of the day, maybe with those juices that you might want, or maybe you had your drink delivered to your stateroom and the mixer is gone. Well, go get the juice from the buffet, put it in your tumbler, mix your drink in your room. There you go. Number 2, if you're one of those people who want to take advantage of the steakhouse that's on board, if you make a reservation on the first or second night of your trip, Carnival may give you a bottle of free wine. You can choose a house wine or you can get a discount on a premium wine. So that is another way a wine drinker can save on drinks on a Carnival cruise ship. Thank you very much for tuning in and allowing me to share this time with you. As always, if you have any comments or questions, just put them in the comment section below. Thank you to all of my subscribers. I really appreciate your support. In my next video, we will be covering how to save money on packing essentials for your first cruise. These are the items that we find crucial when we are packing. And again, we're packing for 2 adults and 2 teenage girls. So please like and subscribe and share if you are enjoying the content. I can't wait to see you guys in the next video. Thanks and have a lovely day.